Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 4 delicious and nutritious green tea infused recipes that are perfect for those following an intermittent fasting and weight loss regimen. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including boosting metabolism and aiding in digestion. So, grab a pen and paper as we bring you these quick and easy recipes. Let's start with a refreshing green tea infused smoothie. In a blender, combine chilled green tea, a handful of spinach, a ripe banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Blend until smooth and enjoy this energizing drink packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Next up, we have a tasty green tea infused salad dressing. In a bowl, whisk together green tea, olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of sea salt and black pepper. Drizzle this refreshing and low-calorie dressing over your favorite salad to enhance the flavors without adding excessive calories. For a savory option, try this green tea infused stir-fry. In a hot wok, add some sesame oil and minced ginger. Stir-fry your choice of vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and snow peas. Once the veggies are tender, add cooked quinoa and pour in a mixture of brewed green tea, soy sauce, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Toss everything together until well combined and serve for a satisfying and protein-packed meal. Lastly, let's explore a delicious breakfast option, green tea infused overnight oats. In a jar, combine rolled oats, almond milk, brewed green tea, a teaspoon of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top it with your favorite fruits and nuts for a fiber-rich and satisfying start to your day. And there you have it, 4 quick and easy green tea infused recipes that are perfect for intermittent fasting and weight loss. Whether you're looking for a refreshing smoothie, a tasty salad dressing, a savory stir-fry, or a delicious breakfast option, these recipes will not disappoint. Incorporating green tea into your meals can amplify the health benefits while adding a delightful flavor. Give them a try and let us know your favorite recipe in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more healthy and delectable recipes. Happy cooking!